Welcome everyone to this edition of Current Connect. Today, we'll talk about the idea of regional Supreme Court benches. Recently, the Vice President of India suggested setting up of 4 regional benches of the Supreme Court of India due to the concern over inordinate delay in justice delivery. Let us see what is the connect. The Supreme Court of India is the highest judicial forum and final court of appeal with the power of constitutional review. Article 130 says that Supreme Court shall sit in Delhi or in such other place or places as the Chief Justice of India may, with the approval of the President, from time to time appoint. Supreme Court rules give the Chief Justice of India the power to constitute benches. He can, for instance, have a constitution bench of 7 judges in New Delhi and set up similar benches, also known as cassation benches, in say 4 or 6 other places across the country. Let us see how is this connected to the UPSC syllabus. The need of the regional Supreme Court benches. The regional Supreme Court benches is required to tackle the enormous backlog of cases and to ensure their speedy disposal. It will help to bring the judicial system more accessible, credible, equitable and transparently even-handed to common people. Challenges in establishing the regional Supreme Court benches are: number of judges. India has 19 judges per 10 lakh people on an average. According to a law ministry data, the judiciary faces a combined storage of over 6,000 judges, including over 5,000 in the lower courts itself. Infrastructure. We are already facing infrastructural problem in the courts, especially in the lower courts. Added to this is the burden of establishing more regional benches will add to the mounting pressure of the infrastructure. Let us see some points on report of Law Commission. The 10th Law Commission of India recommended that the Supreme Court of India should consist of 2 divisions, namely a constitutional division and a legal division. And the 18th Law Commission recommended that a constitution bench be set up at Delhi to deal with the constitutional and other allied issues, and 4 cassation benches be set up in the Northern Region Zone at Delhi, the Southern Region Zone at Chennai or Hyderabad, the Eastern Region Zone at Kolkata, and the Western Region Zone at Mumbai to deal with all appellate work arising out of the orders or judgments of the high courts of the particular region. This can be connected to GS paper 2, structure, organization and functioning of the executive and the judiciary.